If your DIY home repairs and carpentry projects require lots of precise cross-cutting and ripping, it may be time to step up to the versatility and efficiency of a table saw. Here's what you'll need to get started. First, get to know the essential parts. The fence helps stabilize and guide your stock into the saw blade. The blade insert keeps dust and debris out of the saw. There's also a blade height adjustment wheel to move the blade up and down, and the angle adjustment wheel or lever that allows the blade to tilt for bevel or miter cuts. You'll also want to be very mindful of safety. Wear eye and ear protection, as well as a dust mask, and always use the saw's guides to help stabilize your stock and avoid potentially dangerous kickback. To rip a board, first, you'll need to adjust the blade so that it's 1/8 to 1/4 inch higher than the thickness of the stock. Next, adjust the fence so that the distance between the blade and the fence lines up with your planned cut, and be sure to lock the fence in place. To begin cutting, pull the blade guard down and turn on the power. Start pushing the board at a slow, steady pace, keeping the stock flush with the side fence as it moves through the blade. As the cut nears completion, use the push stick to move the last portion of the stock past the blade safely. Then turn off the saw. It's easy to see how a table saw can help take your DIY projects to the next level. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.